Hello friends, welcome to Explore Green Mojo. Today you can see it's morning. Good morning guys. So today we are going for a bird watching spree, and as you can see right now in the dashboard, it's around 5 o'clock in the morning. तो फ्रेंड्स हमारे चैनल पे हम आपको दिल्ली दिखाएंगे, दिल्ली एनसीआर रीजन, जहाँ जो आपने पहले कभी नहीं देखा है वो आज आप एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे। और दिल्ली को जैसे घुमाते हैं लोग वैसे आज हम नहीं घूमेंगे, आपको इन डेप्थ हम घुमाएंगे आपको। तो चलिए फ्रेंड, लेट्स गो। फ्रेंड्स, एज यू कैन सी इन द odometer, we have moved around 20 kilometers and again we have to move 20 kilometers to our destination। और अभी हम दिल्ली मुंबई एक्सप्रेसवे पे हैं। फ्रेंड्स, अभी हम द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे से नीचे उतर के राइट में डिटूर लेके अपने डेस्टिनेशन पे पहुंचेंगे और वहाँ पे अपने जो हमारे वॉक लीडर हैं मिस्टर पंकज, इनसे मिलेंगे। ये आज हमको वॉक पे ले जाएंगे, बर्ड वॉचिंग वॉक पे। एम इज रिमेंबर 5 birds when you go back. That's the aim.
That's doable.
You remember 5 new birds every walk. In 10 walks, you are an expert. Hello, good morning. I know, too early. The main river was called Sahibi.
It's dried out.
It dried out. It was basically coming from Arauli and meeting Yamuna. A short, small river, maybe Alwar or slightly beyond Alwar. And it was a seasonal river. So in monsoon it would go crazy and then it died out. Because there is no glacier feeding it. But what happened is, somewhere around late 70s, Delhi had a massive flood. Got submerged and the government panicked. So they made a drain which actually drained out the entire river basin.
Yeah, Najibgarh drain is it.
So it was basically Sahibi. Because they widened it up and they added concrete, they started calling it a drain. So they had around 200 square kilometers which was drained out. Why? But in 70s the logics were very different.
Yeah.
So they drained out the entire thing, they got the fertile land and they drained it out. So the entire Nazargarh, Chawla and this area, Binkalsan, they used to get submerged. So what is left is the small patch. That is also left because some guy had a good sense. He didn't make the bunch completely. He kept a small patch there which didn't have bunch. As a flood around this area floods, they could, if needed, flood this area rather than flooding Delhi. So that's the only reason we have the small patch here which is still surviving.
And this patch is in Chalmudi.
This is still surviving because of that foresight for someone. Otherwise, they would have built a canal system and drained out everything into Yamuna. But Yamuna project is failing because of this canal. Because any drop of water, let's say from Mehroli and Gurgaon, when you drop or use, there is no other way for it to go to Yamuna. It will come from Badshahpur drain, so there are other drains. It will come, it has to come to Nazafgarh drain. Again go back the entire Delhi to Wazirabad and join Yamuna. What is happening is the entire human load and sewage load of entire Gurgaon, everything, this Nazafgarh drain takes it to Yamuna. So that is one of the reasons that Yamuna is not clean. Yamuna is clean before it enters Delhi. The Sonia Vihar, Hathni Kund, that's the point where Yamuna is still clean.
Even Wazirabad also is.
What happens after that is we have 3 or 4 canals coming out. Kuala Nehru Canal, NJP Canal. They are making the entire Rajasthan and Haryana drain. So they are removing around 85% water out of Yamuna before it enters Delhi. So the moment you remove 85% water from a river, it's no longer a river.
Yeah, it's no longer.
What comes in is a sewage of entire Delhi and Gurgaon. There are multiple drains which are there which are download the sewage. The government is trying their best to have STP plants to clean the water, but what we have and what we require is a proportion of 10x which is missing. So that is where the problem starts, the entire production. But this patch is productive, crazily productive. Why? Nobody has an idea of. There's so much muck coming, so much sediment, sedimentous, everything coming. Still, in a winter season, you can find 2,000 ducks. Flamingos, normally just before this, June, 800 to 1,000 flamingos. And all the rarities of the world somehow end up here. Why? No idea, nobody knows why.
So friends, now you can see we are embarking on our trail, on our bird watching spree. So with us, the walk leader will take us on our cars to that place for bird watching. So let's go, guys. So friends, you can see all of us have embarked here on our cars, and we have just started our walk, bird walk. So let's go, guys. See guys, this is drive come walk, bird walk, where we are going a little bit further on our cars, and as you can see that I am traveling in my electric car. So as the channel name suggests, Explore Green Mojo. So friends, you can see everyone is watching different kind of migratory birds over here, as the walk leader Mr. Pankaj is taking all of and making us all, and will all sure all of you will experience, will see different birds.
पीछे देखोगे तो ग्रास फॉलिंग, ड्राई ग्रास, कैमरा से देखिए, ड्राई ग्रास फॉल कर रहा है, वही नीचे है.
हाँ, inside, correct.
Can you see the dry grass which was falling? Lot of them. तो वहाँ नीचे ग्रास में देखो, ब्राउन, ब्राउनिश ब्लैक. आपको ब्लैक क्लॉथ दिख रहा है?
But you only seeing it back.
हाँ. Can you see a black cloth there? There is a large clump of grass which is drying here. After that, if you see from a binocular, you see a black cloth on the ground.
Okay. Still in the brown thing, huh?
Just before the black cloth, 2 feet before that. Is walking towards the black cloth. There's a sandpiper in flight, wood. Yeah, sorry.
ये क्लॉथ आ गया ये है.
ये black cloth आ गया ना.
सर सामने स्टार्टेड बबलर आके बैठे हैं.
ये बंद करके बैठी है.
सर स्टार्टेड बबलर.
There would be 2 of them together. It doesn't belong to the snipe family. Just because there's a bigger bill, we call it a snipe. There's one of the few birds where the more colorful is the female. For a basic reason, female will lay eggs and walk away. He will find a new mate and go away. It's the male who has to take care of the kids, so it has the camouflage. So male is a dull thing, and female is a vibrant color. Very few. Your pheasant-tailed jacana also does the same. You'll find it again. Usme bhi the male takes care of the clutch and the female walks away.
So small water bird.
Jacana is small but tail. We hope to see that also. चलें आगे. We have just done 5% of the place.
ओके गाइस, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे जो वॉक लीडर हैं वो आपको सब कुछ बताएंगे इस वॉक से रिलेटेड, इस वॉक से मतलब इकोलॉजी के बारे में, यहाँ के हिस्ट्री के बारे में, यहाँ के फ्यूचर के बारे में जो भी नॉलेज है वो आपको दी जाएगी, और यू विल गेट टू नो दैट व्हाई दीज थिंग्स आर लाइक दिस. मतलब जो भी यहाँ पे इकोलॉजी है उसका ऐसे यहाँ पे क्यों है, कब से है और कैसे है. Guys, you can just listen to their musical thing and just enjoy it. If you come to these adventures live physically, then you will enjoy it the most, the more you will enjoy it. So it's just
कोल, ओरिएंटल पैटर्न कोल, हाँ, 2 हैं, हाँ, कॉल कर रहा है ना,
कौन सा वाला?
ये जो अभी उड़ रहा है इधर, that's a oriental pattern call. So call him. नहीं इधर आते. Pattern call was much smaller. It's this size of bird. Vocal heron. Them around 7-8 months in Delhi.
Really?
And we have tried. They have tried to breed in this lake, but the water comes in and they then die off. The nests get submerged.
Yeah.
So there is no confirmed breeding record from NCR. The nearest breeding record is Sambar, but we are not sure they are the ones with Sambar or Kutch, or there is a population which migrates from South Africa to Kutch also. So nobody is sure.
And then they go back.
Not
Or they,
sure. But it could be a multi-year thing. It doesn't have to be every year.
Probability is कि
Like Siberian birds, so they come every year.
no confirmation.
Siberia, they only go for a few months. When we say Siberia, we mean the entire Arctic Circle till Europe and Norway and Finland, everything. It's not
So
only
when it
Siberia.
snows there, they come this side.
No, it's like they go back when there is the spring is there. They go back for the spring, and moment the spring is over, they come back.
But this global warming must have really, that's why you see flamingos. They're not
No, it's
native.
always there.
They've always been here. No.
Delhi always had flamingos. In the last 20-30 years, we have been seeing flamingos in Delhi. The only thing is this. We used to go to Okhla. Okhla used to give you a flock of 200, 150, someday 70, something like that. But you do. Black-headed ibis colony. Sorry, red-nape ibis colony.
Flock of 100 तो वही है. ये रहा.
अभी June, we had 800 plus flamingos in this lake.
really?
See, normally we
You
do
know, I've
a
been
walk.
hunting and hunting. Where will I take? Where can we go to see flamingos?
उस
You've
दिन
been telling
कितने
me
दिखे
they're
थे?
around our nose.
We did a flamingo walk with Asian Airlines. No?
This is new.
That was, but that day again they were far. We could see a lot, but they were on the road. We could see a lot, but they were a bit inside.
Big bird want
You know what is this?
high depth,
It is a water
which
hyacinth.
means दूर रहता है because this is
Hyacinth.
all shallow.
What a hyacinth.
It came from Brazil, and it came as an ornamental plant because it has beautiful purple flowers. This is the biggest invasive wetland species across the world. And what happens is this grows like this.
This blue bag.
Sediment, when dies, it sediments, the water body gets filled. Ultimately, after a few years, there is no water left because there's all organic mass.
Sunlight नहीं जा रहा.
They're trying their best to use it somewhere.
Underwater
They even tried कि भैंस खा ले, but भैंस भी ढंग से नहीं खाना चाहती है. So they tried to use fibers out of it. They tried to do a lot of things, but still no, nothing crazy.
Maybe just make compost out of it.
Sponge.
Yeah, but because you can tell also.
But the problem with composting is thousands of tons a day. It grows like weed. How much can you compost? We have enough organic waste to compost.
This is an invasive thing because I had a consultant. I just started farming and I hired a consultant and he told me to plant water hyacinths.
Kill him. Please kill him. The entire world, US, if you're taking a boat from one lake to the next lake, you have to take it out, wash it, sanitize it and take it to the next. Because if you take this hyacinth to the next lake, the next lake is gone. They're crazy against it. Problem with colder region is this dies in winter. So what happens is it balances out. There's a time of lull when it's almost dead and then again it has to strive. In India, we don't have those kind of winters. So it grows like crazy.
Yeah, because this is all there.
Pitch blackbird. Saracen flight.
Oh,
Saras in flight.
oh wow. Wonderful.
सारस इसको देख के लगता है बर्ड वॉचर बनना चाहिए.
इतना
Grace, the amount of grace it has in his flight.
Sure. Hi, my name is Kaushani, and I am one of the birders in Delhi, and I have been actively part of Delhi Earthwalks, which is part of Asian Adventures, and they conduct monthly, actually weekly, bird walks across Delhi NCR and even outside of the NCR region. But I mostly participate because I live in the city. So during on the weekends, I go for these walks, and these are in very interesting locations. Like today, we are in this village called Chandu, which has a lot of wetlands around, as you can see. And we've been exploring the area for the last 2.5 hours, and we've seen almost 50 species, actually more than that. And and next week then there's a walk in Dhanori, which is in Uttar Pradesh. So they keep planning these walks, and they post on social media, so anybody and everybody can join, people of all ages and groups, and they come together and we carpool, and we have breakfast together, and then we see the birds and explore. So weekends are made so much better for people. During the week you're like busy, and in the weekends when you're catching up, and especially if you're interested in nature and you want to see the birds and you want to explore the wildlife and you want to explore a different side of the national capital region, because Delhi, everybody thinks is about air pollution and about traffic, but there's so much more to this area. So that's what you can see in these walks, and it's a wonderful experience. I only have good things to say, because when you come on these walks, you learn so much about people, about the nature, about the community, and the weather also.
There's so many migratory birds are coming over here.
Exactly.
So मतलब हमारे चैनल पे भी यही है कि ज़्यादातर चैनल्स पे यही होता है कि आपको किसी भी सिटी में जाके आपको वहाँ के फेमस फोर्ट एंड पैलेसेस दिखा देते हैं, पर हमारा ये है कि हम आपको इन डेप्थ हर सिटी के बारे में हम बताना चाहते हैं. आपके जैसे ही जितने भी यहाँ पे इनिशिएटिव हैं ट्रैवल टूरिज्म के, उनको हम प्रमोट करना चाहते हैं. तो आपका जो इनिशिएटिव है दिल्ली वॉक्स, वो भी उसी पैरामीटर पे एकदम खड़ा उतरता है. और हर हफ्ते जैसे आप वॉक करते हैं, तो पिछले कितने साल से आप वॉक कर रहे हैं?
ये पिछले कई सालों से चल रहा है. बिफोर दिल्ली Earthwalks, actually Asian Adventures, they have been doing tours for a longer duration. They have lodges, and they have tour operators. They have tie-ups with various other organizations similarly. So they've been doing that more, but I think for the last couple of years they've been doing these bird walks, because not everybody can always take a long vacation, right? This is like a micro adventure, a micro vacation. In the weekend you can take 2 hours out and just travel and look around, and this doesn't look like you're in the city as well. So they've been doing that,
and this for the children also, they can also be part of this.
Absolutely, all age groups are part of it. Like today, as we saw, there was a 5-year-old child, and there was also like somebody, a senior citizen with us. So all age groups are covered, and all, like, everybody is welcome, right? Like from students to professionals to mothers to single people. There's a person we have in our walk today who's come with me. He's come from Pune, and he's just visiting Delhi, and he's just like come along, and he found out about it on social media, and he just hopped along to see, and he's going to go back and talk about it, hopefully.
Yes, and we would like people from other cities to come Delhi and feel Delhi as it is.
Absolutely, like this is the best way
Apart
to experience Delhi besides going to India Gate and Delhi Hat.
Yes,
I would
that's
say.
what I was saying. Apart from these places, tourist places, they can really get feel of Delhi.
Absolutely.
Of
This
any
is-
city.
Right, like if you read all these articles and you see all these reels about hidden gems, this is what the real hidden gem is.
Yes. So at last, I would like to ask, what are the charges of the every walk?
The charges actually are very nominal. It's 650 rupees. As you see, they help us carpool. They also give us some breakfast at the end of it, and it's just to ensure that everybody turns up. A lot of the walks are also free. There are other groups, I think, that do it in other cities as well that are free, but there's a very nominal charge to ensure that everybody turns up, because it's very easy to drop out last minute,
जैसे हम टूरिस्ट कोई भी आते हैं यहाँ पे, अगर आपको वॉक्स पे जाना है तो कैसे आ सकते हैं, मतलब कहाँ पे लॉग इन करके?
Sure. So, I mean, the best way is, of course, to just Google Delhi Earthwalks or Asian Adventures, or if you have Instagram, Facebook, just look it up, and you'll see the information about the walks. It's always updated. I mean, it's updated real time. Like today, we'll get to know about the walk. We already know about it for the next week. So there's a plan in place, so people can plan in advance, even if they're not from Delhi.
हम
description I will write all your
Definitely.
information, and the viewers can just take all the information and join these walks later. So nice meeting you.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
हम आपको ऐसे ही वॉक्स पे, ट्रिप्स पे, मिनी वेकेशंस पे, मेजर वेकेशंस पे लेके जाना चाहते हैं। और एक ऐसा ही एक इवेंट होने वाला है सैटरडे को, जुलाई 19 को 6 बजे त्रिवेणी कला संगम में, जहाँ पे आपको फ्री में थिएट्रिकल में देखने को मिलेगा। कहानी आनंद के नाम से है, जो मूवी थी आनंद। और फ्रेंड्स, हम आपके लिए ऐसे ही कंटेंट लेके आते रहें और आप हमें प्यार देते रहिए और हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर इसको लाइक करें और कमेंट्स में लिखें आपको कैसी लगी ये वीडियो, और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि हम आपके लिए ऐसे कंटेंट लेके आते रहें। बाय बाय।